Oh, Lily, you are awake already. Wow, I almost overslept. Good morning, Emma. Sit down. Have some coffee. Thanks. It smells so good. Strong coffee. It wakes me up. So, Emma, what did you do yesterday morning? Yesterday? Well, it was simple. I woke up at 7. At 7? That's not late. Maybe not, but I felt sleepy, very sleepy. Oh, I know that feeling. First, I got out of bed. Then I went to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. And I took a shower. Nice. That's a good start. For me, I usually wake up at 6. My alarm rings, and I get up. 6? So early. Yes. I brush my teeth first. Then I wash my face too. Sounds fresh. After my shower, I went to the kitchen. Oh, breakfast time. Yes, I made toast, I boiled an egg, and I drank black coffee. Black coffee. So strong. Yes, but it wakes me up. I usually eat cereal with milk. Crunchy and sweet. That sounds tasty. Sometimes I eat yogurt with a spoon. Cold and soft. Yogurt is nice too. So, yesterday, I brushed my teeth, washed my face, took a shower, made toast, boiled an egg, and drank black coffee. Good list. Yes, step by step. And I usually wake up, brush my teeth, wash my face, eat cereal or yogurt. We are similar, but not the same. Exactly. Yesterday, I really wanted to stay in bed. Me too sometimes. But I told myself, come on, Emma, get up now. Good motivation. Yes, or else I miss breakfast. Breakfast is important. Exactly. When I wake up early, I feel strong. Really? I feel sleepy. But after a shower, I feel alive. True, water helps. And coffee too. Yes, black coffee wakes me fast. So, Emma, yesterday you had a student breakfast. Toast, egg, coffee. Yes, quick but filling. And I usually have cereal or yogurt. Simple but good. Yes, easy for every morning. We both have morning energy now. Right.
इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस के और भी वीडियोस के लिए लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल प्लीज।